kitchen tip. So this is some extra frosting, and I know I'm going to be making these again within a day or so. So being that I cut the tip off, it could actually fall out the bottom. So what I did was I took it to the fire and I reburned the tip. So now nothing can't come out, and then I can recut it again. So that way you don't have to waste it and like, oh, what am I going to do with what's inside there? No, you don't want to waste it. So you're going to tie it in a knot, put it in your refrigerator, or just leave it out depending on what's in it. You can put it in your refrigerator, and you can always nook this again in some warm water to bring it back to a glaze. But yeah, just remelt the tip and it'll keep it from coming out, and then you're not wasting something that you made. Creamer, heavy creamer, vanilla, and all that stuff is expensive, guys. We don't want to waste, especially for the holidays. Put it back in your refrigerator, just dunk it in some warm water, and it'll come back to the glaze that you need it to be. So that's a tip on icing and not wasting it. All right, later, gators.